Our great nation is getting increasingly less intelligent, so manufacturers are making it harder and harder for you to do maintenance on your own vehicle. So I have a 2013 Chevrolet Sonic, and there is nothing in the manual at all about how to change your transmission fluid, so I'm going to show y'all how to do it. So you can find the drain plug. It's right underneath the reservoir. And that is, so I'm facing the rear of the car right now. Obviously I'm in the front. And it's to my left. It's to the left of the exhaust pipe. So you're just going to loosen that. And this is an 11mm wrench. Yeah, that's pretty bad. It's black. It goes in red, so it's black right now, so this is definitely the problem. My transmission has been slipping when it goes into lower gears, and this is the culprit. So we're just going to let that drain. Alright, and we're just going to put the plug back in. Of course. And just a quick run through of where everything is. So here's your engine. And to the right, underneath your battery, is where your filler cap is going to be. Alright, so right in there is the filler cap. And it's just hand tight. You just undo that. Make sure it's clean around it before you loosen it. Alright, so I've got a flexible funnel, and I'm just going to fill it up with 4.8 quarts of transmission fluid. And then I'm just going to replace the cap, and that's it.